What's up guys, welcome back to the Wild Motor channel. Today I've got a box of parts to throw on the KTM before we use and abuse this thing. Some simple stuff. Most everything is just protective and it'll keep it from beating the crap out of all of our stock stuff, and add a little bit of protection to everything so we're not buying brand new parts here in a few years. Let's dive into it. This guy, you just take out the two radiator mounting bolts. Got that support off. Do need to remove this guy. I'm gonna throw some thread locker on that in a bit, but it goes right there. This boot pops out. Got some new Poly Sport guards here. And that'll offer a little protection, hopefully from some shots coming in this way, and then just boot rub on there. So there we go, all kitted up, ready to toss this thing down a mountain. Not preferably, but if it happens, got a little more comfort. And that looks good. I like the more blacked out look. Bike is all prepped. As of now, I don't plan on doing any other crazy mods. I might wear down these plastics and get a new kit on there, but that's about it. Nothing else going on. So appreciate you watching, appreciate you tuning in, taking a peek at the KTM. I'm gonna have plenty of riding videos, a lot more to come on this thing. Hopefully I can put a bunch of hours on this thing over the summer and improve those riding skills, because as of now, Corona going on, nobody's selling their bikes for cheap, that's for sure. I haven't found a single one, aside from this one, and it was hard to find this. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one. Peace.